Hello and welcome to my channel NiftyNehal. This is Neha here. I know I look very different today. I've always been wanting to visit Mumbai, Maharashtra during the Ganpati Puja festival, but I've never been able to. So I thought why not to bring in a little bit of flavor of Maharashtra in my look today, and that is why I have dressed up like this. Today's video is a dedication to the spirit of Ganpati Puja across our country and especially in Maharashtra. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please watch the video. Let's start with priming the face using this Milani Prime Shield Primer. For this look, I'm going to start with the eye makeup first. I have already done my eyebrows. I will start with applying concealer on my eyelids to cancel out all the darkness. Need to blend it well using a makeup sponge and also set it with this Maybelline loose powder using a powder brush. Now I'll be taking this light brown shade from the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and will be applying it as a transition color on my crease. I will build it up gradually. Next, on a flat brush, I will be taking this lovely purple color and will be putting it on the outer 3/4 of my eye. Now taking a shade darker than the purple shade that I had used earlier, I will intensify the color a little more in the outer corner. Using this glitter shade, I'm going to apply it in the inner part of the eyelid. Now I'll be using the same purple colors on my under eyes as well. Taking a clean blending brush, I'm gonna blend everything together. For eyeliner, I am taking this one from Maybelline. This is a black eyeliner. As this is a traditional look, I wanted to create a proper wing liner, and that is what I'm doing here. I will be doing the same on the other eye as well. Now using mascara to coat my lashes. Here I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and the eye look is done. We'll be starting with the base makeup now. I am using this Lakme 9 to 5 foundation, putting it all over my face, and then taking a flat foundation brush, I am spreading it all around on my face, on my neck area. Now I'll be using my beauty blender to give it a smooth finish. It will absorb all the extra product and will also diffuse any brush lines left on the face. It will give a very smooth and a fine finish. Again, I will be taking the Maybelline loose powder, the same one that we used earlier. To set the base, I will be using a fluffy powder brush and applying it all over the face wherever we applied the foundation. For bronzer, I am taking this one from the Balm Cosmetics. This is the Bahama Mama bronzer, and putting it on the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, the jawline, and will also be defining my nose using a smaller brush. Using this color bar blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. This is a highly pigmented blush. I'm putting it on my cheeks, and I realized I've gone overboard with the blush, so I'm diffusing it using my beauty blender here. Taking the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline and using a thin brush, I'm putting it on the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, my brow bone, and also on the inner corners of the eyes. Now taking it on my fingers, I am applying it on my cheekbones. Taking a kajal pencil, I'm going to apply it on my waterline and then will soften it using a dark brown eyeshadow. Now taking this lip liner from Color Essence, this is in a soft red color with orange undertones. I am lining both my lower lip and upper lip. I am just following my normal lip line. I'm not outlining my lips here and just defining them rightly. Next, today I will be using a lip cream, and this one is from Miss Claire. It is in a beautiful pinkish red shade. I'm just filling my lips with this, and yeah. And the makeup is done. This is how it looks. Just a minute, I'll change and we'll see you back. This is how the final look is. I am wearing this border sari, teamed it with this beautiful set and small earrings. I am also wearing this Marathi style nathni, a Marathi style bindi. I'm loving the entire look. Happy Ganpati Puja to all of you. I hope you enjoy the festivities and the energy around right now. And thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Do like, comment, share, and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.